Hey guys, welcome to Resurrection Mobile Blasting channel. On this channel, this is our first official video. On this channel, we've got a mobile blasting system, so we are going to turn around and we are going to show our projects on here, some behind the scenes, some bloopers, and all that good stuff. If you're watching this over on our Green Mountain Media Blasting channel, if you go to this link right here, it will bring you to the Resurrection channel. Feel free to subscribe to that channel. There will be some content on this channel that will not be over on my Green Mountain Powder Coating channel. A lot of the big projects I will probably throw over on my Powder Coating channel, but there will still be content on this channel that is not going to be on my Green Mountain channel. So if you're watching this on my Green Mountain channel, like I said, go to the Resurrection channel over there. I already showed you the link. If you're on my Resurrection channel, feel free to check out our Green Mountain channel, which will be, I'm always fucked up. It might be over on this side. Feel free to go to our Green Mountain channel, check out our powder coating and things like that. Right now we are doing a 1K giveaway. If you go to the link above, here somewheres, watch that video. It's when we got our mobile blaster. Watch the video. It'll tell you how to enter our 1K giveaway. I won't go through all that on this channel. So if you just watch that, go to that link, go to the channel, enjoy. So, yeah. So I hope you enjoy it. This is, as most of you guys know, all we've always done is dry blasting. This is our very first wet blasting system, so it's a little learning curve. But so far, it has kicked ass big time. So you'll be able to see in this video. So enjoy.